In today's video, we're gonna do polygel. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome and welcome back. In today's video, we're gonna do polygel. I'm starting by pushing back my cuticles. I'm using a cuticle pusher. Next, I go in with my sanding band just to remove the natural shine so that the product can stick better. Then I'm going to remove a dead skin or excess cuticles around the nail edges using the cuticle nipper. I wipe off with acetone to remove oil or dust. I go in with my peel-off base coat just to make the polygel stick better. I put the timestamps in place so that you can navigate to any chapter you want. For the liquid, I'm using sleep solution. I'm using this cuticle stick to scoop the polygel and to shape the cuticle area, and I'll drag it down using this brush. And bear in mind, I'm constantly dipping my brush into the solution so that the application won't be sticky, and I'm curing each finger after every application. I wipe with acetone to remove the stickiness. And I go in with my nail file to shape the edges. Then I take my medium ceramic drill bit to file my nails. And I decided to add this cat eye on top. Then I take my magnet and move around. This is actually my third time using the magnet. So I'm still finding a better way of using it, or the better way of getting a cat eye, a better cat eye. For the design, I'm using this white gel polish. Actually, I wanted to put a top coat and then do my design on top and apply the glitter, and then I didn't, and I regret that decision that I made. And the bad news is I bumped something with my middle finger, and this finger hurt so bad. At one point I wanted to stop taking this video, but I kept on going. So I decided to just do the tutorial on my hands in the meantime while I'm waiting for this feet to heal. So apologies. I go in with my closer top coat to seal the design. finish, I'm applying the cuticle oil to keep the cuticle healthy and prevents them from drying out. And I'll massage it through a little bit. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.